how Tamil sounds to a non-Tamilized speaker.
Ever wondered how your language sounds to someone who doesn't speak it? Well, let's listen.
Travik Velmaru Sondrik Palvadi Krenka Mortran Farkab Jolmat Circle Porvan Baltaru Jenkal Prelam Sornik Milbai Ketran Jorsik Blonaru Dren Pack Centri. Valpar Setrik Rendel Kovlat Torvin Jompak Vilmuk Kirlan Sornam Plenki Vetran Gorat Malpin Tornek Surkai Pontek Velram Sarnak Brajiv Jorkan Vildek.
Yes, I know it doesn't sound like the actual language. That's because it's not. The channel's called Language Gibberish after all. But there'll always be some who miss the point and comment that's not what this language sounds like. All because they didn't get the joke. Your comments really do make me feel psychic. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.